Malaga, Spain. The 2018 Porsche Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid Sport Turismo would be the new flagship in the Panamera line. Porsche spokesman Hermann Joseph Stappen, who practiced saying the long reputable name 2 days, brought up it's the primary of its kind within the luxury segment and may satisfy a discriminating few who wish a high level of functionality but miss a race car. The E-Hybrid Sport Turismo is usually a plug-in hybrid that's beneficial to 30 miles on its liquid-cooled 14 kWh lithium-ion battery, ample for stealing away without moaning to the neighborhood market or towards the office. Electric drive provides the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds and achieves a top-notch speed of 86 miles per hour. The new hybrid auto mode lets your vehicle combine power sources. Yet with all the steering wheel selector set on Sport Plus, we can easily take advantage of full system creation of 680 horsepower and 626 lb-ft of torque. The twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 roared just like a beast about its contribution of 550 horsepower, as the electric drive kicked within the rest in a very most invisible way. The V8 and electric motor are connected by an electrically actuated clutch, while an 8-speed PDK transmission distributes the brawn. As a result, the E-Hybrid Sport Turismo whisks from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 3.2 seconds. And in case there's a major hurry, top speed is 192 miles per hour. It was essential to hold off on everything that while we negotiated the inside plateau and crested a superior pass, returning towards the coast using a route for the north and east with the Sierra de las Nieves snowy mountain. The all-wheel drive could be especially useful here once the winter snows begin to fly. Route A366 was narrow, far narrower compared to the 40-foot wide surface of Ascari, along with the Sport Turismo was 76.2 wide. Meeting riding on the bus that runs between Malaga and Ronda would be a memorable event. Eventually, making the long descent, we met a stretch of superhighway leading time Forest Pona, our starting place. When it isn't sneaking out on electricity in hopes of stuffing the maximum 45.7 cubic feet of cargo space with groceries, the Panamera is its real element here. Thundering far from toll plazas gave us a great sense from the burst this 5,125-pound car delivers. Inside, under normal driving, the E-Hybrid Sport Turismo is quiet and posh. We had lowered ourselves in the leather seats, letting the automobile take us into its possession. Something we will throw out: the dreary wood inlays inside doors and dash. Increasing the Sport Turismo's versatility. 4-person seating is standard, take that, Ferrari GTC4 Lusso. Despite having 2 doors without electric drive, the Lusso would be the car we view as closest on the Porsche, a ski car, dog car, along with the choice for coming to the plant nursery. And using a base cost of $189,450 including shipping charges, the E-Hybrid Sport Turismo seems a steal compared. Of course, rich in extras like rear axle steering, the handsome 21-inch 911 turbo design wheels, advanced adaptive cruise control, and night vision assist using a thermal imaging camera, the high cost surpasses $200,000. Factoring within the sophistication on the chassis, the innovative approaches for crimping together aluminum and steel body panels, the powertrain containing spiritual contact with all the 918 Spider, far more, the E-Hybrid Sport Turismo is pretty a marvel. With the emphatic roofline and aggressive rear spoiler, it merely looks cool, too. We were willing to drive this brilliant E-Hybrid Sport Turismo and experience what some lucky buyers will regard as everyday practical transportation, having a huge wallop of capability waiting in reserve. 2018 Porsche Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid Sport Turismo specifications. Spring 2018. Price $189, $450, $217, $490. BAZ tested. Engine 4.0 liters twin-turbo, 32-valve V8 550 HP at 5,7506 revolutions per minute, 567 lb-ft at 1,9604, 500 revolutions per minute plus electric motor, 136 HP at 2,800 revolutions per minute, 295 lb-ft at 100 revolutions per minute. Combined 680 HP at 5,750 horsepower, 626 lb-ft at 1,400 revolutions per minute. Transmission 8-speed dual-clutch automatic. Layout 4-door, 45-passenger, front engine, AWD hatchback. EPA mileage NA LXWXH 198.7 by 76.2 by 56.3 inches, wheelbase 116.1 inch, weight 5,126 pounds, 060 miles per hour, 3.2 seconds, top speed 192 miles per hour.